Hello, welcome back to my page. Thanks for tuning in. So today was just a short takedown slash tutorial. It's not really a tutorial because I didn't show you how I braided my hair, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I just had two single braids. I put like some conditioner in my hair and just braided my hair in two single braids, and then I let it dry overnight. My hair wasn't fully dry. It was probably like 80% dry here, but that's fine. You know, I have probably a little tiny tad bit of frizz, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna take it down because I don't know how to French braid. So this is what I do every night when I want to wear this style. I'm just gonna shake my hair out. I'm gonna pick the roots and, you know, just keep moving it around so I can remove the part in the back and just make it bigger. I forgot to mention that I put perm rods at the end of my two braids. I used the small purple ones. You can use any size you want. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and I'm going to do my edges with it. So I don't really know how to style my front right now, and the way I braided, some pieces of the front was a little stretched out. So I'm just going to just brush them back and just make a simple style. I think it's like a common style I see people wear, and so I'm just going to wear it like that for today. I normally do wear my hair like this because I don't know what else to do with my front. So if you have any suggestions about what to do in the front of my head, please comment down below. Or if you have a video, I would love to see it. And that is it, a simple braid out. I hope you like it. I'm going to do a spin around for you so you can see the full result. So this is quick and easy, only take a couple of minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.